Okay, Mr. West is in the building. Ain't no question who about to kill it. Period. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're not. So today I'm going to be doing another natural hairstyle. And this hairstyle is going to be a hairstyle I've never done before. As you can tell by the title, it's going to be 2 low back buns, or whatever you want to call them. 2 low space buns, low back buns, 2 buns, low puffs, whatever you want to call it. I'm doing it. I've never done this hairstyle before, so this will be my first time doing it. I've only done it once for a video for my YouTube channel, but being dumb, I wasn't recording me doing the right side of it, so I just kept on going, but I decided not to upload it because why would I upload a video if you could only see one side of my hair getting done? So today I'm going to be doing it over. I'm going to be using some accessories because I was talking to my cousin the other day and I was talking about what video I was going to do next, and I told her and she was like, yeah, and use some cute accessories, all this. And I realized that I had some colorful bobby pins that I don't even use. I used the orange ones like once in another video from like January, I think. So we're going to be using these today. I don't know which color I'm going to use, but I'm going to figure it out. I'm not sure if I want to do a voiceover or just talk to you guys through it, because right now it's 2:31 in the morning and everybody in my house is asleep. So I'm not trying to wake everybody up. So I might do a voiceover. It is what it is. I haven't done a voiceover since like December. Yikes. But we're just gonna get through it. So that's what this video is gonna be. And yeah. Before we get to this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Okay, so here I am taking out this dusty braid that I had in for like basically the whole day. I like put it in at the middle of the day because I got tired of my hair, but that's just what I was doing. Now I'm just parting my hair, or like I was going to part my hair, but then I decided not to because like it was 2:30 something in the morning and I was not trying to be precise. So that's just that. Now I believe that I'm very terrible at voiceovers, so I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch, and I'll just be back whenever I need to be back. I'm just gonna try to keep my voiceover portions like very short and to the point, but you guys can really see what I'm doing. So yeah, so I'm gonna let you enjoy the music and I'll be back when I need to. Yes, we all know that I hate being wet when I'm not supposed to be wet, so please excuse my faces. So for some reason my left edges have a problem with me. I don't know what's up with sis, but she needs to calm down because I didn't do nothing to her. She's always trying to give me a struggle. Like, my left edges always want to have me out here struggling for no reason. Like, I'm just trying to do my hair. But as you can see, I'm struggling like always, per usual. So don't even try to go on me because I already know. Okay, so you guys already know the deal with the parting situation. No way was I parting my hair all the way down the back at 2:30 in the morning. That was kind of a lot of work, and I just did not feel like doing it, especially since I wasn't going anywhere. No way. But anyways, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.